Imagine a world where every sip you take could either heal or harm your body. For those managing diabetes, this is a daily reality. Stay tuned to discover the best and worst drinks for blood sugar control. Sugary sodas might seem refreshing, but they cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance and weight gain. Avoid these to protect your health. On the flip side, water is your best friend. It keeps you hydrated without adding calories or sugar, helping your kidneys flush out excess glucose. Green tea is another excellent choice. Rich in antioxidants, it can improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar levels. But beware of energy drinks. Packed with sugar and caffeine, they can cause significant blood sugar spikes and increase insulin resistance. Herbal teas like chamomile, ginger, and peppermint are naturally caffeine-free and can reduce inflammation, improving insulin sensitivity. Think fruit juices are healthy? Think again. High in natural sugars and lacking fiber, they can worsen insulin resistance and blood sugar management. Fresh vegetable juices, especially from leafy greens, cucumbers, and celery, are low in sugar and high in fiber, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Alcoholic beverages can interfere with liver function, crucial for glucose regulation, leading to unpredictable blood sugar levels and complications. For a unique twist, try diluted apple cider vinegar in water. Its acetic acid content slows down the conversion of carbs into sugar, ensuring a gradual increase in blood sugar levels. By choosing the right drinks and avoiding those that spike blood sugar, you can better manage your condition and improve your overall health. Drink smart, live well,